Welcome to the Moomoo Desktop tutorial, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate and utilize the platform effectively. To begin, you will need to download and install the Moomoo Desktop application from the official website. Once installed, launch the application and log in to your account using your username and password. If you are a new user, you can create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration process. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard, which provides an overview of your account, including your balance, portfolio, and recent transactions. The dashboard is customizable, allowing you to add or remove widgets and tailor the layout to suit your needs. To access the trading platform, click on the Trade button, which will take you to the order entry screen. Here, you can enter buy or sell orders, set price alerts, and monitor market data in real time. The platform also offers advanced trading tools, including technical indicators and charts, to help you make informed investment decisions. To manage your portfolio, click on the Portfolio button, which will display a list of your holdings, including stocks, options, and other securities. You can also view your transaction history, including buys, sells, and dividends. In addition to trading and portfolio management, the Moomoo Desktop application also offers a range of educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis. These resources can help you improve your investment knowledge and stay up to date with market trends. To customize your experience, click on the Settings button, which will allow you to adjust preferences, such as language, time zone, and notification settings. You can also access customer support through the application, which offers live chat, email, and phone support. Best practices for using the Moomoo Desktop application include regularly monitoring your account activity, keeping your software up to date, and using strong passwords and two-factor authentication to ensure account security. By following these steps and taking advantage of the platform's features and resources, you can optimize your trading experience and achieve your investment goals.